Welcome to the video where we tackle an interesting problem involving data manipulation in R. The problem at hand requires us to identify columns in a data frame where a specified scalar or vector occurs at or above a certain threshold. This data frame has 20 rows and 3 columns filled with random values. Our task is to write a function that will help us identify and remove columns based on the specified criteria. It's a fun challenge that tests our skills and knowledge of data frames. Now, let's delve into the solution for the problem we just discussed. The code provided offers a concise way to filter columns in the data frame where the percentage of a specific value occurrence is below a certain threshold. By using the col_means function and logical comparison, we can easily identify and select columns that meet the criteria. This approach simplifies the process and efficiently removes columns that don't meet the required threshold. The resulting data frame, DF2, showcases the columns that pass the filtering criteria, giving us a clean and streamlined dataset to work with. It's a smart and effective solution to the problem at hand. To sum up, we successfully addressed the problem of identifying and removing columns in a data frame based on specific criteria using R. The provided solution efficiently filters out columns that don't meet the required threshold, leaving us with a refined dataset for further analysis. I hope you found this journey through data manipulation in R both informative and engaging. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!